Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, you guys, is a super exciting one because I'm finally gonna be sharing with you guys my Beetlejuice Mel Cosmetics PR box, you guys. Oh my freaking god, I cannot believe I own a PR box, which is crazy, you guys. And before I show you guys what's in this baby right here, I do want to mention, you guys, that this was actually my Christmas gift from my fiance. Oh my god, you guys, if I was to tell you how he surprised me, you guys will be shocked. To be honest, you guys, I was not gonna get it because of the price, and you know, I never truly paid so much for makeup, like 300 and something, you guys. So I was not gonna get my hands on this baby, but I was eyeing it since they said that they came out with the Beetlejuice collection. Since the very first day that Mel Cosmetics was actually, you know, revealing what was in this box, I was falling in love more and more, you guys. I have been a big fan of Beetlejuice growing up as a child. I was actually in love with Beetlejuice, which is crazy. Yes, I was. Yeah, guys, let me show you my backpack purse so you guys could see that I'm not lying when your girl's a big fan of him. So you guys, this is my backpack purse right here. As you guys could see, Beetlejuice. If you guys have been following me for some time now, you guys know that last year in October I came out with my own Beetlejuice collaboration, glitter collection with Glitter My World, you guys. I actually have my palette up there, but again, I wanted to do a Beetlejuice. So yeah, guys, what does that tell you? I'm a big fan of him, guys. So when I saw that Mel Cosmetics came out with the Beetlejuice collection, you guys, I got so freaking excited because I was loving everything that they were coming out with. I've seen other collections in the past, you guys, from, like, you know, Hocus Pocus and all this stuff, and honestly, I've been quite disappointed because I've seen that companies just want to release a collection, and you know, you kind of tend to see who works super hard on collections, you know, who takes their sweet time and who's just not, you know, popping collections left and right, and the quality is not good at all, you guys. So yeah, so when Mel Cosmetics announced Beetlejuice, I was like, oh my god. And you guys, I've heard really good reviews about them, but I've never truly tried their makeup, so I'm so excited that your girl got the whole freaking box. So yeah, guys, so this was a surprise. I was not expecting it, but I'm so happy, you know, that I got my hands on it. So anyways, guys, enough chit-chatting. Let me show you guys the box, okay? So for this, my daughter's actually gonna help me. So we just gotta be very careful, you guys, because this box, it's not that heavy, but it's very wiggly, you guys. This is a box. Oh my god. Can you guys see how beautiful, well designed this was thought of when they decided to do a Beetlejuice collaboration? The whole dimension of this box is just Beetlejuice, you guys. This right here is like a little, I can't explain it, but oh my god, it's beautiful. It is beautiful, you guys. And then when I got my box, you guys see it came broken from here, but who cares? Who cares, you guys? Now I do want to mention to you guys that you know, a lot of people get this for free. A lot of big influencers get this box for free, you guys. We little people, we actually had to pay like almost $400 for this, you guys. So yeah, look at the colors. Like, look at every single little detail that they actually put in this box, you guys. A piece of the movie right here. It's just, oh my god, every little single thing of this box is like Beetlejuice, you guys. Every single thing. Now when you get your box, which you guys, this box is actually sold out, but if you guys are trying to buy it, there's people that are actually selling their boxes for like double the price. Yeah, guys, that's not right. But yeah, so this was a limited edition PR box. I don't know why I'm running out of breath, but she ain't even pregnant. So yeah, so this is a box, you guys. It's beautiful. Look at this. So when you get the box, it comes with this right here, which it actually shows you the two palettes that are in here, you guys. Now originally I was just gonna get the green palette because I'm like, you know what, I can't afford this box, you guys. And yeah, and luckily I have the whole collection, you guys. So yeah, so it comes with this little card, and it shows the two palettes in there. This little card right here that says it's showtime. It's a Mel Cosmetics little postcard just saying thank you, love. What is this? I don't even know what it says, you guys. But yeah, you have this. It comes with this. What is this? I didn't even see this. What is that? Oh yeah, it tells you what exactly is in the box, you guys. I thought it said prices, but it does not say prices. And it comes with a little sticker, little Beetlejuice sticker.
That's a sticker?
Yes. Okay, guys, so with the box, it comes with your two. I'm like literally like my head's against this. Hold on, it comes.
Okay.
So you guys, so in the box you get two eyeshadow palettes. You get their eyeliners, their liquid liners, a mascara, mascara wand. What else? 3 lipsticks, and you get your 3 liquid lipsticks, you guys. And down here, bam! Oh my god, you guys, this is beautiful.
Makeup brush. Oh my god, I got it.
Shh. This one comes with a mirror, and you get brushes. And you get a little bag. Well, that bag, so the brushes are supposed to go in there, you guys.
But it looks like a wallet.
Yes. Show it. Show it, Rosanna. No, show the purse.
It's a wallet.
Yeah, it's like a little wallet, you guys. So this one would actually go very good with my purse, you guys.
And we also have a...
Okay, so it comes with a... What is this?
It's green or...
Ultra matte gel liner.
Yeah.
And all the names on this, you guys, is all Beetlejuice movie refer, like everything.
Let's put it back.
Hold on. So it comes with that one, and it comes with like this neon.
And this one?
Neon green, you guys. It's called the Afterlife. And you guys, if you've been following me for some time, you guys know that my colors are bright, bold colors, just standing out. So this collection is beautiful, you guys. Look at this.
Yeah, and we also have let's see.
It's beautiful, you guys. Beautiful. And look at the look at the small little details. You see the Beetlejuice thing on it? It's beautiful.
Hey guys, put the map in the same spot.
Okay, let me see.
This one was here. That one was there.
I feel like your brother's gonna wake up. Oh. Okay, and then it comes with your mascara, you guys, and then the palettes. It has a recently deceased palette right here. And then it has the waiting room palette right here. Now, originally, you guys, since I knew I was not going to get the whole box, to be honest, I was planning on buying this palette right here and their Lola lipstick, you guys. There are 3 lipsticks.
Let's get one.
So I'm just going to show you guys really quick how the palettes look like. Hold this.
Okay.
How the palettes look like. I can't even take. Oh yeah, I can. I took it out.
I want to take one out.
I can't even take it out. Okay, so this is. Okay, so the lipsticks, you guys, I could not take them out, but yeah. So we're gonna show you guys first this one, which is a recently deceased palette. This is the one that I wanted to pick up, you guys. Look at this, how beautiful. Look at this. This is Beetlejuice. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. So this is how it looks like. You guys see this? It is beautiful. Now, oh my god, look at this.
Oh my gosh,
how beautiful is this? It has your mirror, and then it has this little thing right here.
Oh my god.
You guys see that?
Oh my
it
gosh.
has a clip.
I want to see mine.
Yeah, I don't think you could see it. Let me see. It has a clip of the movie in there, you guys. When they're in the cemetery when they summon Beetlejuice. And then it has these colors right here that are so freaking beautiful, you guys. Oh my god. They have glitters and all that, and it's beautiful. Hold on. And then also on the shadow, it has the imprint of Beetlejuice right there, you guys. Now, yeah, this palette is beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at this. Look how beautiful. I've never been a fan of packaging. I don't make such a big deal of packaging, how everybody does, but damn. The packaging to melt, you guys, is crazy. It's called the waiting room, you guys. This is how it looks like. Let me open it, and you could show the inside. Here you go. Be careful. It says, "Is this what happens when you die?" It's a little phrase from the movie, you guys. So
here's the movie, the thing.
It also comes with another little thing. As you guys could see, this was when what were they in the waiting room? Yeah, this is beautiful. Look at this, you guys. And then the inside is more of your darker tones, very, I want to say like very gothic-y, you guys, but it has shimmers in there, and it is beautiful. Do you guys see this? Look at that red. Oh my god, you guys, this is so freaking pretty, like nice. And the little imprint on this, it was actually the legs that were on the waiting room, you guys. You can't really see it, but yeah, I believe a lot of people were saying, I don't know if this one had more eyeshadows than the green one. I'm not really sure, you guys, but honestly, I don't have a problem with that, to be honest. But I have to admit, my favorite palette from this collection will have to be the green one, you guys, because the colors are just beautiful. Beautiful, you guys. All right.
Okay.
On this collection, you get a set of, hold on, 1 2 3 4 5. You get a set of 5 brushes, which is right here. Okay, I'm taking one out.
Me too.
So it has Beetlejuice in the handle. This plastic or metal? Plastic. It has a Beetlejuice on right here, and then on the handle it has what's her name?
This is cute. I love it.
Oh my god, what's her name? Fiona? Is it Fiona?
I don't know.
Oh, I heard.
Guys, it has white and black.
Yes, it has a double thing, but yeah, guys. So it comes with a total of 5 brushes that honestly, you guys, I'm not gonna use because no, I don't wanna stain these because these are white and black.
This one.
And then it comes with your little clutch or whatever you guys want to call it. Your brushes are supposed to go in here, but you guys, I'm gonna use this as a wallet. I'm gonna use this as a wallet because it's so freaking pretty. It matches perfect with my backpack, you guys.
That's what Daddy bought her.
Why? What did he buy me? Oh yeah, he bought me this. I bought me my backpack.
Okay.
And then it comes with the mirror, you guys. Look at this.
And it also has like a Beetlejuice girl.
Yeah, this is so freaking beautiful.
She's
you guys.
like
Look
dancing.
at this. The mirror. Oh my god, this is so pretty, you guys. Ooh.
Ooh.
Now with the box, you guys, I'm gonna try and show you
the
inside. So it comes with your 3 liners, like I showed you guys earlier. It comes with 3 lipsticks, which honestly, the one that I was eyeing was Miss Argentina, which is this one right here. Let's try to take these out. There you go. Move.
Give me one. I want this one.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, guys. First, we have this one. It's like, do you want to open it?
You gotta be careful.
Okay.
Hold on.
Hold down.
Hold on and wait. This one is called Calypso. And this is
Oh my gosh, look right there.
yes, I know, Rosalind. It has yeah, it actually has what?
Do you want to mess
the
it
worm.
up?
It has it engraved on this, right?
Okay, now let's
So
try.
this one is called Calipso, and look at you guys. Look at the
Calipso?
detail. Look at this. Oh my god, this
Okay,
is so
I want to
beautiful.
see the other ones.
This one, be careful. This one, I don't even know what it's called. This one is called Ghost with the Most. This one right here.
Sorry, open it like this?
Yes, but let me show you guys the one that I like, the one that just caught my eyes. Be careful.
I like it.
And
Look.
this one's like a green one. You see this green, guys? And to be honest, you guys, I'm not a big fan of greens because I feel like I don't look right with green lipstick.
Green is like Loki.
But this one's really pretty. Oh my
Okay.
god, Rosalind, you and Loki. Hold on. Now,
I want to see the other one.
this one's called Miss Argentina, and this one's my favorite. Show them, Rosalind. Be careful, be careful.
Here
Look
it
how
is.
beautiful. This red looks like an orangey red on camera, you guys, but
Mommy.
it's so beautiful.
Mommy,
Like,
that
I want to use this.
that thing looks like your lipstick.
I know, it kind of looks like mine. So by the way, you guys, I am wearing MAC's liquid lipstick right here. This one is called,
I don't know.
what is it called?
Fashion
Legacy, you guys. That's the one that I'm currently wearing right now. But yeah, but this is so beautiful. Not that, Rosalind.
There wasn't enough.
Okay, you guys. Now the liquid lipsticks. Let me see if I'm able to
grab.
Mama, hold on to the box. That box is about to fall out. Right?
Mommy,
Oh my God,
you
that's
already
so
got
crazy, you guys. I'm looking at this and it's crazy how perfect they did this. Like, it is crazy. Crazy, you guys.
Look at the house. That house looks like ours. Oh, look, I see something right here. Just kidding.
Oh my god. I
Wait,
can't even take
wait,
this out.
maybe
No, wait, no. Okay, you guys, so this collection actually comes with 3 liquid lipsticks. I believe they're liquid lipsticks. Are they liquid lipsticks? I think they are. I think they are liquid lipsticks, you guys. So it comes with 3. It comes with this beautiful purpley pink one right here. Oh my god, the glitter in there is beautiful. You guys know I'm a big fan of glitter. This one is, and this is one, it's the other one, you guys. And this one is a darker purple one. All right, now I know you guys want to see swatches and all this, so I might just do it. So this is the, yeah, so then it comes with your mascara, you guys. Oh my guys are waking up. So it comes with your mascara, you guys. I believe that they have this for sale still. I believe they brought this back. I'm not sure, you guys, but it is beautiful. Look at that color. Okay, you guys, so the child finally woke up, you guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you guys know, this box is sold out. They don't have it, and it was limited edition, you guys. For those that got your hands on it, oh my god, thank the Lord, you guys. And for those that don't, like, it sucked. But I believe that you could still buy each product in here separately. I believe they even have it at Sephora too, you guys. So yeah, so definitely, you know, check out your nearest. I don't know, Volta has it or Sephora. Yeah, I believe it's one of those two that are still carrying the palettes and all this. But yeah, guys, but I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing again, and I'll talk to you guys later. I will try to create some looks using these products, you guys. Most likely I'll probably do this after the holidays, because right now mama is just so busy. You guys don't know the struggle to film. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you guys later.